In this video, I will show how to perform a de novo assembly on the external calculation engine. Posting jobs on the external calculation engine is only possible after installation of the WGS Tools plugin. Please contact Applied Maths to obtain your credentials for the installation of this tool in your database. In my database, the plugin is already installed. I have already imported some FASTQ file links in this database. Launching a de novo assembly job on the calculation engine is very easy. I just need to select the entries I want to analyze and call the Submit Jobs dialog. In this video, I will only talk about the de novo assembly jobs, so I make sure this algorithm is the only algorithm checked in the dialog. I can choose the de novo assembly algorithm in the Details dialog. The jobs are submitted when pressing the OK button. When links are present to FASTQ files stored on a local hard drive or local file server, these files first need to be uploaded to the CE store. This upload needs to be confirmed by the user. The overview window will open after submission of all jobs. On average, the calculation time for a de novo assembly is around 20 minutes. The concatenated de novo context sequences are stored in the de novo experiment and can be consulted by clicking the green dots in the de novo column in the experiment presence panel. Quality information is stored in the quality experiment and can be consulted in the individual experiment cards or in the comparison window. More information can be found in other videos on our website. Thank you for watching.